Bruh.
It's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So I know I've been missing, but it's okay because I know y'all missed me. And I know that y'all forgive me. But I have some alerts. I am going to be posting a video. This video, I'll also be posting a video of this hair. I cut this hair because I didn't have bangs. I wanted to go for that Amora Jada look. Amora Jada, if you see this, girl, you slayed it. I wanted to go for that type of look. This is hair from Kalai something. I'll leave the name on the screen. But yeah, we're in Walmart right now, running a couple of errands. I'm gonna let my friend introduce herself since she just thought it was okay to blurt it out in the beginning. Also, she wants to match with me, so I have on black and red, and she has the same one. So.
I don't do it, but I'm
Okay, so today we're gonna be doing the Say Yes challenge. She is my victim. She is my victim. So yeah, let's begin. So Tamara, I dare you to hop like a frog to aisle 22-23.
I don't even know how to hop like a frog.
You remember how to play leapfrog? Go ahead. Get down, get down, get down. You gotta say yes. Get down. Come on, hop. She acting like she don't know how to. Boy, that's so fake. Hop all the way back. All right, Tamara, I dare you. I dare you. No, it's not even a dare. I want you to get a box of cereal and balance it on your head. Down this whole aisle. Y'all, don't worry. It's about to start getting legit. Okay, I'm about to have her calling her exes. No, Tamara. Bruh. Balance it on your head. Right. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Now walk the whole aisle. Walk the whole aisle. She's lame.
That's a good shirt here.
The cereal?
Oh, yeah, that's a good shirt right here.
Oh,
Birthday cake?
hey, what's your name? I know it. You said Bethlehem. Alright, so Samara acts like she can't do the yes challenge. So we in Walmart, and she's with a child. So obviously this vlog is not gonna be that long. Let me know if y'all actually want to start seeing vlogs because I really can't post them because I really be on the move now. But alright, y'all, I want to let y'all know I got a headband on and I'm about to buy something.
Come on now. I need these for my hair, but tomorrow because my hair's not secure.
Anyways. Okay, y'all, so
Tomorrow's a good day for me.
she really not doing nothing, so I'm not understanding how it's a big day. But I will ask you guys some questions. I am gonna start leaving my my social media handles underneath so that you guys can stay connected with me in every way. Through YouTube and through my social medias because it's just necessary. I am down to makeup aisle, so I'm gonna share some of my makeup tips of what I have on today. So today I have on a Super Stay Matte in the color 3. I actually don't know what color. I have to go see. In the color 340, which is cappuccino. You actually can now when you buy this save $2 because it's $8.98. So yeah. Huh? Yeah.
I'll be watching your videos too.
You be watching my videos? Oh, you see me on YouTube? Oh, thank you. Yeah.
She's all alone. She noticed you when you come right out.
You want to get on the video?
You want to get on?
You like makeup? Stuff like that? What else you like to do?
Just like do pranks and stuff.
Pranks? You think I should do pranks? You think I should prank her? Alright. What's your name? Johanna. And thank her for supporting us. Bye. Oh, this is so crazy. Thank you. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and check that out. That's for foundation. For eyebrows, I do use Kat Von D 24 Hour Super Stay in the color walnut. And then what else? Eyeliner, I use Wet n Wild. So let's go see. So for eyeliner, I use this liquid eyeliner from Wet n Wild. I like to use the one that doesn't have a brush because it's easier to make the fine line versus the bristles on the brush. If you like taking it out, putting it back in, taking it out, putting it back in, and if I'm in a rush, the bristles are like spread out and I don't like that. So this is the eyeliner that I use. What else? Questions, if you guys ask, if I had to use a drugstore eyebrow pencil, I don't see it here, but I would use LA Color. I'll use LA Color eyebrow in the color brown. Yep. So what else? For lips, I have on the Revlon. Are we by Revlon? No, we by L'Oreal. So let's go by Revlon. Yo, my first supporter. She said you're on YouTube. Makes me cry. Excuse us. What else? Oh, for lips, that's what I was saying. I use the MAC. What is it called? I probably said it in a video once. But I use that lip gloss. And I use the Revlon. It's from MAC. The one we bought from MAC.
I need something here. It's cheap that I can afford. Alright, now. So I can get to the next store.
So, yeah. And then for lip liner, I use Revlon. Oh, that's what we was talking about. So, Revlon. You see Revlon? Revlon right here. So, for the lip liner, because I do use lip liner, that is the key, I feel, to lips. It makes it look better. But I don't have none on now because it's faded. So, for lip liner, I don't even see it. So I'm guessing like they out of stock on that one. Which again, my friend just be picking up stuff. You know, it's always the people who don't know how to do makeup who get the makeup, like the expensive stuff, and then the people who do know how to do it never get the right stuff. They always get like an off-brand and make it like usually how it goes. Oh, okay, y'all. So if you ever want a Elfie stick, $12 from Elfie stick. Did I say Elfie or selfie? Wow. You only want a selfie stick for $12. Get it from Elf. I don't know if they have some cheaper than that. Probably so online. Y'all remember when we used to use these palettes back in the day? I used to be on this makeup looking immense. Alright, you guys. So I wasn't able to close out the video because my phone died in the store, and you guys know I film on my phone. But y'all, I'm super greasy right now. I've never been this greasy in my life. If you guys have any products that you know that I can use before I put on foundation so that I'm not as greasy at the end of the day, please let me know because it's like ridiculous greasy. Like, I mean, you can see where I have my highlight at, but it's like really T-zone area where I'm really greasy at. So let me know, and don't forget to check out this video that I'm about to leave right here. in this little box. Go ahead and check that out, and thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video.